Welcome to Lose Zone, your go-to channel for effective home workouts. Today we have a quick ab workout that will help you shed belly fat and sculpt your core. Are you ready to feel the burn? Let's get started. Let's start with a quick warm-up to get our muscles ready. We'll do each movement for just a few seconds. First exercise is the crunch middle. Lie on your back with knees bent, hands behind your head, and lift your upper body towards your knees. Now let's target those obliques with side crunches. Twist your torso left and right, feeling that oblique burn. Russian twists next. Sit with knees bent, feet off the ground. Lean back and twist your torso from side to side. Heel touches. Lie on your back and reach your fingertips towards your heels, alternating sides. Time for a classic plank. Hold a straight line from head to heels. Keep your abs tight and don't let your hips sag. Slow mountain climbers. From plank position, slowly bring your knees to your chest, one at a time. Keep movements controlled. Bicycle crunches. Bring your opposite knee to your opposite elbow, alternating sides. Keep a steady pace. Toe touches. Lie on your back with legs straight up. Reach up and try to touch your toes. Feel this in your upper abs. Great job. Let's cool down with some gentle stretches. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Amazing work today. You crushed that ab workout. May God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to Lose Zone for more fat-burning workouts and fitness tips. See you in the next video. Don't forget to check the description area.